How to install macOS Catalina on unsupported Macs. Here are a few methods to install macOS Catalina on older, unsupported Macs. 1. Use a patcher tool. Applications like One's Catalina Patcher allow installing Catalina on unsupported Macs by patching the installer. However, this violates Apple's EULA. 2. Use OpenCore Legacy Patcher, provides UEFI bootloader allowing installation of newer macOS on older Macs. Less sketchy than patcher tools. 3. Create a custom DMG. Using a program like Give macOS, you can create a custom Catalina DMG tailored to the target machine. Requires modifying configs. 4. Use a virtual machine. Install Catalina within virtualization software like VirtualBox or VMware Fusion. Performance won't be great, but installation is easier. 5. Utilize a drop-in SSD upgrade service. Companies like Mac PostFactor can supply custom flash SSDs allowing new macOS installation on older Macs after swap. However, running newer macOS releases on outdated hardware is generally not recommended and can be unstable or perform poorly in the long run. Unsupported hardware may still fail or behave unexpectedly. I'd caution against trying to force Catalina onto incompatible Macs unless you're technically skilled and okay with lack of support down the road. Consider upgrading hardware instead for a smoother experience.